Hello everyone, Pioneer. I greet you all from all over the world. What is the news about the PiNetwork project? Make sure you have clicked the button to subscribe to Pi News World and also click like, comment and share. Come in the comment and write PiNetwork to the moon. Ooh, wow Pioneer, did you know you are one of the biggest investors in cryptocurrency? Because of PiNetwork, as of today, you are a millionaire. Your time is money. Amidst extreme volatility in the cryptocurrency market, PiCoin continues to demonstrate resilience with a steady upward trend. While expecting an extraordinary overnight price surge may be unrealistic, several significant upcoming events could serve as key catalysts for PiNetwork's future growth. Upcoming key events. Crypto Summit at the White House. Hosted by President Donald Trump and key industry leaders, this event has the potential to be a major turning point for the cryptocurrency sector. New policies and regulations in support of digital assets could have far-reaching implications for PiNetwork and its expanding ecosystem. Industry experts believe that discussions during the summit could shape the future of decentralized finance and blockchain technology, paving the way for broader adoption of digital currencies. If PiNetwork gains recognition at this event, it could significantly impact its credibility and acceptance on a global scale. Pi Day, March 14, 2025. Highly anticipated by Pi pioneers worldwide, this year's Pi Day is expected to bring substantial developments to the PiNetwork ecosystem. Speculation is mounting that this milestone could trigger a significant surge in adoption and potentially drive PiCoin's valuation to new heights. Many in the Pi community believe that March 14th could mark the announcement of a long-awaited transition to the open mainnet, allowing for increased usability and real-world transactions with PiCoin. If such an event occurs, it could dramatically alter the perception of PiNetwork and solidify its position as a legitimate cryptocurrency. The growing influence of PiNetwork. PiNetwork has grown into a global movement, with millions of users actively engaging in mining and transactions. Despite skepticism from some quarters, the project continues to evolve, demonstrating a commitment to decentralization and financial inclusion. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware for mining, PiNetwork allows users to mine coins using their smartphones, making it one of the most accessible digital currencies available today. Another factor driving Pi's momentum is the increasing number of businesses and merchants that are starting to accept PiCoin as a form of payment. Several pilot programs and barter exchanges have already demonstrated the feasibility of using Pi in real-world transactions. If adoption continues to rise, PiCoin could establish itself as a functional digital currency rather than just a speculative asset. PiNetwork continues to strengthen its ecosystem with a robust and dedicated community. While many other cryptocurrency projects face market turbulence, Pi has shown promising long-term potential. With these crucial events on the horizon, the opportunities for PiNetwork's expansion appear more tangible than ever. The support from a growing global community, coupled with strategic partnerships and potential exchange listings, may provide the necessary push for PiNetwork to enter the mainstream crypto market. However, as with any emerging cryptocurrency, challenges remain. Regulatory hurdles, security concerns, and the need for further infrastructure development are all factors that will influence PiNetwork's future trajectory. Despite these uncertainties, many Pi pioneers remain optimistic, believing that patience and continued participation in the network will ultimately lead to significant rewards. Holding firm, remaining patient, and embracing the journey ahead could prove to be vital in witnessing the financial revolution PiNetwork aims to foster. Whether these upcoming events will propel PiCoin to new heights remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the global Pi community is ready for the next chapter in the evolution of digital finance.